welcome to the Boza family. It is an amazing day, beautiful Friday, nice weather outside, and just for a moment, be happy that you are alive. What I can offer you today is the right information about Forex. But then I will have to charge you. For my time and of course the right information about Forex that I'm about to give you. Today it's a lovely Friday, wonderful day, great day to be alive. And I'm happy to see profit, and also I'm happy that I'm still alive even today. I have a beautiful, important advice that I want to share with you about trading Forex. What you need to know is have a game plan. I always talk about this. You must know how much you are risking and how much you are profiting in every trade that you trade. You must keep the stop loss the same and the profit the same. If you were to profit 100 pips and you're risking 12 pips, then you must always keep that same, always. And now I've shared this signal of a buy in the morning. So this is how we close our Friday today. So I'm happy to see the progress, and you must know that you must always try to make sure that you know how much you're risking and how much you profit. I believe you understand.